Well, let's do some test filming. This mounting here really isn't that stable. Coming now into the town, but I do really want to film that pass. It could be a hell of a disappointment not to do it, so I think this is going to be okay for the pass. Western Cape, as many of you know, is sort of littered with passes, just everywhere you can imagine. Tarred passes, gravel passes, so many mountain ranges crisscrossing north-south on the western side, east-west, east-west on the southern side, to the Southern Cape. Yeah, it's like Table Mountain is well, in some ways is the bottom left corner, a whole bunch of mountain ranges coming from the north that run north-south, and then that run then east-west from that kind of roundabout, that corner of the Western Cape.